Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Tatiana Raylynn back with another video, and this is the finished result to that tutorial. So I got this hair from, because this is like a quick little hairstyle. I don't think I'll be keeping this up for too long. I just wanted to do like a tutorial on it, and I love this hairstyle. It's just really pretty. It gives me those Aaliyah vibes. Like, I just love like the hair off of your face. I mean, I can wear this to the side, I can wear this to the back, either or. I like the side for right now. But yeah, so this is the look. Let's see. I also showed you guys in the video, but it is wet and curly hairstyle. I got it from my local beauty supply store. This is what it looks like. Because my hair is naturally curly, I wanted to get something with a little bit more curl so that it could blend in instead of having like straight and flat iron my hair. I just blow dried my hair and I just slicked it down with some eco styling gel. So yeah, but yeah, so it was one bundle that came in here. Let me tell you exactly how much it was. $10.99, girl, for 30 inches. Like, you can get slayed for $10.99. The hair, I mean, it says on there that you can curl it. I like this curl pattern right here, so I'm probably not going to touch it. At night, I'll probably just like wrap it up in a bun. But yeah, this is the finished result. I am feeling it. I like it. I'll probably keep it up for a few days here, depending on, because my natural hair usually just starts getting weird. And I did slick it down. I did sand under the dryer. But my hair is just like so baby fine, and it's really soft, so it just like does whatever it wants, especially when I get in the shower and stuff. It just started getting soft and I started getting flyaways. So we'll just see how my natural hair lasts. But I feel like I'll probably keep it up for a good week. Yeah. But yeah, so if you like this style, just continue watching. And you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1K by the end of this year, so please help me out with that. So yeah, just continue watching.